Alright, greetings students. I'm here at home filming a reaction video to yesterday's video on the Philly cheesesteak fries. I was looking at a lot of your work and a lot of you guys did well. Well, it went half and half. Some of you guys did really well. Some of you guys forgot to do one thing, which is what I'm going to go over right now. For example, you would look up how much a bottle of garlic powder was and you use that whole bottle in your Philly cheesesteak fries. Now that is way too much garlic. So what you need to do is figure out how much I used in the video. So let's go ahead right now and I'll show you on the screen where I found my values and what I did. So let's get to it. My favorite place to go to and shop for things is, as you can see right here, is Aldi. So all my prices are going to be based on what Aldi has right here on their Instacart. So what I'm going to do is online, I'm going to look at, on Instacart, I'm going to look at all the prices here. Now for the potatoes, I just type in up here, potatoes. And if I'm looking at a bag of russet potatoes, right here, the popular version, right there, I'll click on that. That is $2.75 for a 5-pound bag. Oh, look how beautiful that green pepper is. So $2.19 for 3 green peppers. I just used 1 green pepper in the video. Yellow onion, because that's what we had there. Now, a 3-pound bag of yellow onions, as you can see, is $2.09. Now, olive oil, what I did was go up here to Kirkland, which is Costco. If I look at a 2-liter bottle, that's $15.49, and right down here it says 1 liter is $7.75. I'm not going to have them deliver that because, well, I'm not going to spend $3 for delivery. If I type in shaved beef steak, there you go, $5.79 for a 14-ounce bag. Now, when I bought this at Aldi, it was $2 off because it was almost its time, I guess. So the actual price I spent was $3.79, so always look for those deals, folks. 3/4 of an ounce bottle, $1.05 for the Italian seasoning. Now, if you look at the garlic powder here, it's the same exact price. However, it's 3.12 ounces. I'll just estimate that to, we'll just say 3 ounces. And 3 ounces is about 12 tablespoons. Just looking up regular salt, that iodized salt, that whole bottle, 26 ounce, not that bottle, that whole container of iodized salt is 55 cents for 26 ounces. Now I'm not using that much salt in my recipe. I'm using maybe a few pinches, maybe like a teaspoon. So it's going to be quite minimal, the amount of salt I use, so that's going to be quite cheap. If I type in provolone cheese, it is $2.15 for that cheese right there, for 8 ounces. So if I look up the work for everything I did on here, I see that 5 pounds of potatoes is $2.75. I want to find out what 1 pound is. That's pretty easy to figure out, so I divide by 5. So 1 pound of potatoes is 55 cents, and that 1 pound of potatoes is equal to 3 potatoes. But I want to figure out how much it is for 4 potatoes. So I'll just divide that by 3, and 55 divided by 3 is about 18 cents. So I'm spending 18 cents for 1 potato, 55 cents for 3 potatoes, which means I'm spending 73 cents for 4 potatoes. I'm going to do the same thing with the green peppers. It's $2.19 for 3 green peppers. I want to figure out how much it is for 1 green pepper, so I divide by 3, and $2.19 divided by 3 is 73 cents for 1 green pepper. It was $2.09 for the mushrooms. I'm going to round that up to $2.10 for those 8 ounces. And 8 ounces is about 8 mushrooms, we'll say. I have 9 mushrooms on there, but I'm just going to round that down to 8 because it's going to be a lot easier to divide. Because I want 4 mushrooms, I'll just do the 8 ounces divided by 2 to get 4. And $2.10 divided by 2 is $1.05. For my yellow onions, $2.09 for 3 pounds of onions. I'm going to round that up to $2.10, again, to divide easily. 1 pound, to turn a 3 into 1, you divide by 3. So 1 pound is 70 cents. And that's equal to 5 onions, but I just want 1 onion, so I do 5 onions divided by 5, and 70 divided by 5 is 14 cents. So I got 14 cents for 1 yellow onion. For my olive oil, that $15.49 for a 2-liter bottle, which is about 136 tablespoons, by the way, of olive oil. I'm just going to use 2 of those tablespoons. So 2 liters is $15.50. 1 liter is going to be $7.75, which is 68 tablespoons. Now, there's no simple way to do that. So $7.75 divided by 68 multiplied by 2 is 23 cents for 2 tablespoons of olive oil. For the Italian seasoning, $1.05 is equal to 3/4 of an ounce, which is 3 tablespoons. Now, I made a mistake in my video. I didn't use 1 whole tablespoon for that recipe. That's quite a bit. I actually used half a tablespoon. To figure out 1 tablespoon, just divide by 3. So $1.05 divided by 3 is 35 cents. So I'll divide that by 2. And 35 divided by 2 is about 18 cents. I didn't use a whole tablespoon of garlic powder. I used half. It's $1.05 for the garlic powder, which is 3.12 ounces. I'm going to round that down to 3 ounces, which is 12 tablespoons worth. So I'm just going to change that $1.05 to $1.02 just to move it down a little bit and easier to divide. 2 tablespoons would be 17 cents. Half of that, since I want 1 tablespoon, is about 9 cents. I'll round up to 9 cents, but I'm going to get half of that because I'm going to use half of a tablespoon of garlic powder, which is about a nickel. For the salt, 55 cents for 26 ounces. I'm going to round that up to about 56 cents and work my way down. Basically, if I could work my way down to 1 tablespoon, it's about 1 cent per tablespoon. I'm not even using a whole tablespoon. I'm using like maybe a third of that. So it's not even a penny, but I'll just say 1 penny for the salt. Finally, for the provolone cheese, it's $2.15 for that 8 ounces. I'm going to round that up to $2.16 because I'm going to use half of that. So if that is $1.08 I'm spending on the provolone cheese. So when it comes down to it, when I add up all my numbers, I'm spending $7.99 for that delicious, wonderful meal that you got to witness and watch yesterday as I put together. Actually, the missus put it together. So that ain't so bad for some Philly cheesesteak fries. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you would like to watch a few more, check out these videos over here. If you got 100% on this assignment, you don't have to worry about it. Don't do the work. You could just watch this video, enjoy it, and for extra credit, try to do your work again with the numbers I gave you to see if I made a mistake. The rest of you guys, you need to correct your work using the method I did. Enjoy your day and keep on mathing.